Yes, Rinka.
Yeah. So guys, we will be continuing the Python session, okay, which we started yesterday. Let me just continue. So Python session we learned and we came to know Python is a general purpose. Let me just increase this programming language, okay. Then we came to know Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in Feb 20, 1990. Then I told you Python is a platform independent software. That means any operating system we can install it, and Python is open source. That means it is a free version, and Python is dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means what? We don't need to uh,
Specify data
specify
type. Data.
specify the data type. Yes or no? Yes. So this is what we have learned the very basic things of of the Python. Okay. And then we learned there's something called as we learned something called as installation of software, which we have already installed the softwares. Then we learned something called as guys something called as variables. Yes. We learned something called as variables, which is it is the name given to the value which is which is assigned. Let's suppose a equals to 10, then a is the variable here, where we are assigning the value equal to 10. This 10 is is stored in some memory location. Then we learned there's something called as identifier. So identifier is nothing, it is a name given to to any variable, any method, class, anything will be what identifier. So variable are identifier, but all identifiers are not variable. Why all identifiers are not variable? It's very simple, because variable name cannot be a method name. Variable name cannot be a method name, a class name. So all variables are identifier, but all identifiers are not variables. After these things, we learned something called as after this thing we will we started learning the naming convention, where I discussed that variable naming must be start from small a to z, capital A to z, okay. And it can include letters, numbers, underscore, but it cannot start with a number, which is very important. And then I discussed there's something called as data types, where there's a string data type, number data type, sequence data type, mapping this data type, set data type, and Boolean data type. And declaration type, if I want to know, then this is a method called as type to get the data type. I have already discussed this. That is dynamically typed language. And if I want to get the type of the variable use, I can use this type method. And then guys, for deleting a variable, I given an example. If I want to delete a variable, I'll use a keyword called as del, which will delete any variable. Let's suppose del a, it will delete this variable a. That's all guys. So today we will start a new topic called as operators, where there are three types of operator, which we will learn. First is arithmetic operator. Then we will learn something called as relational operator. Then we will learn something called as, logical operator and try to understand one by one. First, we will see guys, arithmetic operator. Then we will see relational, and then we will see logical operator. So now let us just, try to see one by one. Let me just remove these things. So this is a value a equals to, 5, okay? And this is a value b equals to 2. So what will be the answer? This one, a plus, b. Can someone tell me?
7.
7. This is very easy. Next value,
3.
a minus b, 3. A into b,
10.
10. A divided by b,
2.5.
2.5. Modulus, what is modulus? This is very important. What is modulus? This is called modulus. So what is modulus? It gives the remainder. It gives what, guys? Remainder. So what is remainder? Let's suppose I divide this 5 by 2.
1.
So 2 2s are 4. We get 1 and then 0. Then what will that? 2 5s are 10. So what is the remainder we are getting, guys? Tell me.
0. 0.
No, this is, if it is going into the decimal part, this is, total division. But
Yeah.
modulus, if I do, okay, what will happen is that it will just divide once, 2 and divide by 5. 2 2s are 4, that's all. It will not go with the decimal portion. This is the remainder. So what will be the output? 1. Am I clear, guys? This is the remainder part. Any doubt?
Yes.
So what will be the output of this one? 1.
1.
Agree with me? The remainder is 1. Yes or no? This is called as, square. This is called as, square. Let me just write down here, square. So square means what? 2 times multiplication means square. That means what will happen? A square, B. That means 5 square 2. What will be the output, guys, of this one?
25. 25.
Do you guys agree with me? This will be 25. Any doubts? This is square, guys. This is, a modulus. This is giving the remainder. This is division. This is multiplication. This is subtraction and addition. All of you are clear with this arithmetic operators?
Yes, Vikram.
Let us just, execute this and see the output. So this is the output, guys, as per our, 7, 3, 10, 2.5, 1 and 25. All of you are clear with this output? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, Vikram.
Yes, Victor.
So now I wanted to take one particular, operator, which is very different from here. And it's, quite, confusing. Let us just take this one. This is called floor division. Let me just, remove all these things. Yeah, guys, let us just, start with this, floor division. Let me just remove everything and try to see this floor division. What is this floor division? So this is something, guys, floor division. So tell me, what is floor division? Floor is, something called as in a house. There is something called as ceiling and something called as floor. Let's suppose this is called as, guys, floor. Okay. And this is called as ceiling. That means floor is what? The place where we keep our feet. Let's suppose there is a person. He will, keep his feet in the floor. This is ceiling. Here, let's suppose a ceiling fan is there, which is giving, air. Okay. This is, rotating. So floor means what, guys? The downward value. See, the arrow is what? Downward. And a seal is something, which is, upward, if you see, as per the diagram. So let's suppose, two, floor, A is nothing but your 5, okay? 5. Floor division 2, okay? So if I divide it, to 5, okay? 2 2s are 4 and, it will come as 1. And if I give a point, then 0, then 5, 2.5. So this is what is, 10. Now 2.5, the floor, the lower value is what? 2. Do you guys agree with me? Floor is the lower value, the feet value, the arrow is downward, so the value is 2. Do you guys agree with me? Any doubt?
Yes, Vikram. Yes.
So what will be the output? Output will be what, guys? 2. Do you guys agree with me? The output will be 2. If I write here, let's suppose 10, okay, and I try to see the floor division, what will be the output? 5. Let's suppose let me put a decimal value, and I want someone to give me this answer. Can you give me this? Someone give me the answer. Floor division, floor value.
5.
5. Why?
5.
If I divide 11 by 2, what is the answer? 5 times it will come 10. 1.05. 5.5. The lesser value for 5.5 is 5. Do you guys agree with me? The output will be 5. Yes or no, guys? Let's suppose I give a value, here I give a value 3. So what will be the output? Can someone tell me?
3.
3. Why? If I divide 3 by 11, what will happen? 3 3 is a 9. Then I get is as 2. Then what will happen? 0.0, then 3.6. Yes or no, guys? 18, and again we'll get the 2, and again 3.6666. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? So if I take the floor value, it will be 3. Yes or no? It is not rounding off. It is that we have to, if it's a decimal value, we'll go to the lower section of the value, which is an integer, which is 3. It will not be rounded to 3.5. Will not be, rounded to, 4. Like that, floor division does not happen, guys. Floor division means what? Lower side of the value. The lower side of the value of 3.6 is 3. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, Vikram.
Yes, Victor.
Why? Yeah, guys. Yeah. Very good. You're getting some things, you're understanding. Let me just move to, other operator. This is, guys, arithmetic operators, which we have, already, discussed. Let us just move to, other operators apart from this, arithmetic operators. This is what, guys, there's something called as relational operators, and there is something called as logical operators. So let us just try to understand what is a relational and logical operator. This is very, simple. If A is greater than, B, then, it will print true, else it will print, false. So what will be the output here, guys? What do you think? A is
False.
5, B is, this is false, and this one?
Hmm.
This one will
False.
be what? False. Yes, sir. If I write this as 15, then what will be the output?
True, false.
True, false. Yes or no, guys? Are you understanding this is just a true, false based on the relational operators, greater than, less than, equal to? Then there's something called as, guys, logical operator, and which is and, or not. Let's suppose these are the logical operator. So now you can just, tell me what will be the, output. So let's suppose A is true and B is false. A and B means what? What do you understand by A and B? True and
False.
true and false will be what? False. Yes or no, guys? Now
Yes.
next is what? Next one?
True.
True.
True or false. Then what will happen? Boolean, digital electronics, when we learned in our college, what will happen? True or false? What will be the output? Anyone is, true, it will be true. So this will be true. Not A means what? Just the opposite of A. A is true, so the opposite is false. Any doubt, guys, here? Here both will be true, then it will be true. Since, one of them is false, so output is false. Here, both, any of them, is, this or this is true, the output is true, so false, true. Here not A means opposite of, A. A is initially as true, so the opposite of A is nothing but the false. Any doubt, guys, here? false, true, false. Are you clear till this much? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Vikram.
Vikram.
So now we will learn something called as a range operator. So range operator is something, when we want to access the value of, a particular, range, then we go for, range operator. Let's suppose, range operator is nothing but a list of values, which is, in the range. Let's suppose, guys, starting position, stopping position, and this step. This is very important. Let us just, try to understand. Start means this is the starting number of the sequence. This is inclusive. We will include this value. Default is 0. If not, specified. Stop is required. The number at which sequence, stop. This is exclusive. What is exclusive meaning? We will not take the value. It is not included. Step is an optional field. The difference between each number in the sequence, the default value is 1. Okay. So let us just try to understand this with respect to a particular code, so that we can understand it. For that, guys, I have taken some of the for loops to make it understand. For loop is nothing but a loop which will get repeated. Again, I will explain all these for loops, and all. As of now, these values will be repeated. So now try to understand one by one. Let us just go and see the first example. And you can just tell me range 10 means what, guys? There are 3 things. What is that? Start, then stop, then step. Okay, 3 things. So guys, there's nothing specified. Okay, so what will happen if nothing is specified? What we will consider as start, guys? Tell me. We'll consider the
0.
start 0.
0.
What is the stop value? 10. Yes or no?
10.
Step we will consider as 1. But this is inclusive. But is the 10th value inclusive? No. 10th value is last value is not inclusive. So it will go till 0 to 9. Yes or no, guys? The final output will be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Are you clear, guys? Tell me. Let me just repeat this one, as per the definition I have clearly mentioned. The starting point of the sequence is inclusive. Default value is 0 if not specified. Stop is required. See, this start is optional. Okay, this is an optional field. Let me just highlight this. The step is also an optional field, but the stop is required, guys. If only value 10 is given, that means it is the last value. But this last value is not, inclusive. This is exclusive. So we will not include this 10. And this steps is optional. Okay, the difference between each number in the sequence. Default value is 1. We are not specifying the step. So the default value is taken is 1. So what happened is that it went from 0 to 10, because this is, and mandatory field. But this 10 will not be included. It will be 9. And nothing is given in the start, so it will be 0. Nothing is given in the step, so it is 1. The value will go from 0 to 9. And that is what is the output. Any doubt, guys?
No, Vikram.
Okay, fine. Very good. Now tell me, the next, output. Who can, just tell me the output, next value? Anyone, can you just try and tell me the next output?
Oh, it will print from 1 to 9 in sequence.
Okay. Just
1 to 10.
first, I just want the starting value. What will be the starting value for this one?
1.
1.
1. Okay. And it will go till what?
10.
But 10, will it be included?
No.
The value is starting from 1, right? 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3. If you count the values,
1
numbers
to
are
10,
10.
it will go. See, there are 3 things. Tell me. What is start value? Okay. What is stop value? And what is this step? Okay. 3 things we have to, focus. The starting value is given as 1. 1 is taken. This is inclusive. Very good. Stop value is given 10, which is not inclusive. This is exclusive. So it will go till what? Till 9.
9.
Step is not, given. So by default, it will taken as 1. So the output will be what? From 1 to 9. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, Vikram.
Yeah. So let us just, execute this one. So the output is 1 to 9. So now my question to you is the last one. So can you just, give me the output of, the last one? And can anyone, try the last one?
192.
Yeah, let me just, remove this, and comment this one and uncomment this one. How to do commenting and uncommenting? Control front arrow. Yes or no, yes or no, guys? Forward slash. So here, what will happen? What is the starting, position? Can someone tell me?
1,
1,
1. And then what is the last value?
10,
9,
9, 9,
9. So, and what is the step?
2,
2,
2. So what will be the first value?
1,
1 then
3,
3
5,
then
7.
9. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
yes, Vikram.
Yeah, very good. So now you got some guys, some understanding how we are using the range operator, and this is, for loop, guys. For loop, again, I will teach you. This is a kind of a loop, okay, which we want repeated values. Then we'll go for this one. Syntax is very simple. For this is any variable, and then this we have to use this keyword in. Here you can use, guys, range, which we have, taken, and we are just printing this value of I. Now, next is there's something called as tokens in, in Python. Token is the smallest, code that has some meaningful functionality. Smallest code what we write, and that has some, meaningful functionality. That is called as, guys, on the token. So there are smallest, components in the program. So there are 4, tokens. There's something called as keyword. There's something called as identifier. Identifier we have already studied. This is used to identify a variable, a method, a particular, class, any name we give. That is nothing but the identifier. What is a keyword? This has some, spatial meaning. If there's a spatial meaning associated, that is nothing but your keyword. Let's suppose, if else. So that is nothing but the keywords. So let us just, guys, see one by one. Let us just come to keywords. So keywords, guys, what is happening is that keywords are, guys, keywords are what reserved word that has some predefined, meaning. So that means what, guys? And that cannot be used as an, identifier. Let's suppose, keywords are reserved word that has some predefined meaning, and that cannot be used as an identifier. Predefined meaning, that means this false is a keyword. It has some, some meaning is there associated, which is predefined. This await, this else, this import, this pass, this none, this break, like that, guys, these are the keywords. This is having some reserved words. These are what, guys? Reserved words, and it has some predefined meaning, and it cannot be used as an identifier. That means we cannot use it as a naming. We cannot write, false equals to, 10. So this is, not the way to, use an identifier, because this is a false is a keyword, and it has some, predefined meaning. So this cannot be, used. And the keywords are essential part of Python syntax and are very much, case sensitive. These are, guys, case sensitive. Let us just see, guys, how to see all the, keywords. So that is what is, we will see here. So let us just, see how to, see the other, keywords. So this is what, guys, you have to import the keywords and, print that keyword.kw list. This will give all the keywords present in Python. Let's just execute this. So this is, guys, the keywords which are, present in, in Python. So all the keywords will be, shown using, first you have to import this keyword, and then you have to write keyword list. So keyword.keyword list will give all the keywords present in Python. All these are keywords which are present in Python. Identifiers, as I've, already discussed, again, I am discussing, is name used for a variable or a function or an object. So identifier can have small a to z, capital A to z, digit 0 to 9, and underscore. Identifier are again, case sensitive, but first letter cannot be a digit. For variables or identifiers, first letter cannot be a digit. Okay. While Python, does not, enforce naming convention, but there are some, standards which we have to, follow for the, naming convention. So we'll see which are the standards, which, Python, uh, enforces. So let's suppose this is a variable name. So use the lowercase letter and underscore for variable name, which we have, discussed yesterday also. This is the snake case. Variable names are snake case. That means all the words are written in lowercase and they are separated by underscore. So all the words written in lowercase separated by underscore is nothing but the variable name. Then there is something called as guys, uh, there is something called as function name. So we'll see what is function name. Function name, how the naming can be done for the function name. So for function name, guys, what we will do is that we'll use the lowercase letter and underscore. Function name, we will use lowercase letter and underscore. So this is the way we define a function name. This def is a method. Def, this is the keyword. Anything which is written like let's suppose this is written def apple, and here a bracket is given. Let's suppose that means, and here something is written, something print or something is not written. Okay, that means what will happen? This is a function, okay, whose name is nothing but the apple. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? This is a function whose name is apple. Yes or no, guys? This def keyword is showing this is a function. But function names are generally, written in, the name lowercase letter, and it can be separated by underscore. Yes or no, guys? This is a function name. Do you guys agree with me? So
Yes, sir.
let me just see this one, and let us just guys try to see, okay, these things. Okay, so let us just take this one and try to see, this is a function. Okay, and this will not function is, guys, you cannot see the output like that. Okay, you have to always call that function if I want to see the value. Okay, function, I will teach you guys these things nicely, what is a function and how to use it. As of now we are just seeing the naming convention. You want to get the value from a function, you need to call it. This is what is the function name. We are calling it, and then it will give the output 3 plus 5 is 8. This is what is the function is been called. A is going as 3, B is going as 5. This is what is printed value, and this is what is the function name. So my intention was just to say this, see you the function name which are in lowercase letter separated by underscore, and this is a bracket. Any function will have bracket. These are variables, and we will study more about the function in our next lectures when I will teach you function. As of now I'm just teaching you the function name. Let's suppose I write it like this. Okay, so let us just see. Yeah, so this is also work. So only underscore, only small letters we can use, or we can use small letters with underscore. So this is what is the function name. So function names are what? Lowercase, okay, and underscores are there. So this is what is the naming of the functions. Use lowercase letter and the underscore. Class name Pascal case, I told yesterday also. Camel case is also called as camel case. The letters, every word, first letter will be a capital letter. This my class, M is a capital. Class C is a capital. So every word will be capitalized. That is called a class name. This is the naming convention of a class. But if I see, guys, there's something called as uh, constant. So constant are, guys, the naming convention is different. Here what will happen? All are uppercase letter with with underscores we can take. Okay, so this is what is the generally written in this way. All uppercase letter and separated by underscore. This means this is a constant value. Constant value. So constant value naming convention is very, very simple. All uppercase letter with underscore is nothing but the constant. Okay, and then we have learned, guys, the naming convention of class name, which is the capitalizes each word. We learn the name of the function names, use underscore, and everything should be, guys, lowercase letter like the variable name. Variable name is also lowercase letter and underscore for variable name. And this is also called a snake case. Function names are also like snake case. But class name is Pascal case, also called as camel case, where it capitalizes each word. And constant values are all uppercase with the underscore. This is the naming convention of both the identifiers used, and this is the naming convention. Are you clear about the naming convention, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, Vikram.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Next is, guys, literal. So literal is a fixed value, okay, written and directed in the code that represents our data. It's the raw data you assign to a variable or use in an expression, such as number, string, or special value like true or false. So these are, guys, fixed value. The values are fixed, which we are assigning, okay, to a particular variable. Let's suppose Python literal constant in Python. This will not, change. This is a string literal. So here we are passing a value Alice to this particular, variable name. This is a string literal because it's a fixed value. Alice is a string literal. This value will not change. So in Python, literal is fixed value. Written directly in the code that represents the data is the raw data you assign to a variables or use an expression. So we can use to assign into a variable, or we can use an expression. So this is, guys, a string literal, one fixed value Alice is going to this name. This is integer literal. This 30 is going to, this age. And this is a Boolean literal because this true is assigned to is active. This is called as a literal, which is having a fixed value. Whenever there's a fixed value, that is called as, string literal. So now that is called as, guys, literal. Next is, guys, we'll take a fresh topic called as, slicing. Generally, people are, getting confused for slicing. Please try to pay, extra attention. Interview questions are asked based on slicing. So in slicing is in Python is a technique to extract a portion or subset of a sequence, such as string, list, tuple, or other sequences. That means we will, slice the data. Let's suppose there's a cake. So we want a particular, piece of slice. So this is one slice, the second slice, third slice, fourth slice. So if we want the slices of pieces, then we will use, guys, slicing technique. So what will happen is slicing in Python is a technique to extract a portion. So we'll extract a portion or subset of a sequence. Sequence means it can be a string, can be a list. We'll learn all these things, string, list, tuple, and all. As of now, there's some, string is nothing but a collection of, values, okay, characters. If we write apple, this is a string, but it should be in single quotation, double quotation, or triple quotation. List are again the values represented in square bracket. Okay, so we will learn all these things, guys. As of now, the values are collected in the form of string, list, tuple, or other sequence types. So slicing means we'll extract some portion of value. Let's suppose this apple, I want to extract this APP. Then how can we extract? Let's suppose there's a list, there's a value 10, 20. I want to extract this 10. Then how can we do that? How can we get a portion or a subset of a sequence? So there are some, techniques which we will, follow and which we will, see. So let us just try to, see what is there, guys, what is the way to, get that. So in slicing, there's something called a start, stop, and step as there was in the range. So let's just focus here. In slicing, what will happen is that this is includes the character at the starting index. Again, this is, guys, slicing. What will happen is that the start is included, the stop is excluded. This is not last value is not taken. Okay, excludes the character at the end index, includes the character at the starting index. But if you don't specify, the last index will be included. If you don't specify, this is very important, the last index, then what will happen? Then what will happen? It will, include it. It will include it if we don't specify this last index. We'll see that. Now what will happen, guys, after all these things? So now what will happen is that start the index at which the slicing begins. This is inclusive. Stop the index at which slicing ends. This is exclusive. Step the interval or the size, we can give between each element. All the three parameters are optional here. In range, this was, mandatory. Here all are, optional only. Negative indices can be used to count the, from the end of the sequence. From the negative, if I write -1, then from the end it will start. If parameters are, omitted, start value is 0. Stop, default to the length of the sequence, and step, default value is 1. So let us just, guys, try to, understand this kind of, values, and try to, see this kind of, values. So for that, no, guys, we are trying to see. Let us just see one example here. So hello world, 0 to 5, we have to extract. So what is the value or position of this H? Can someone tell me?
0.
0.
0.
What is the value of this E? 1.
1.
This is the value of this L. 2. This is the value of this L. This is again 2, 3. There is the value of this one. This is nothing but the 4. This comma is nothing but 5. The space is nothing but 6. Similarly, guys, W will have the value as 7. O will have the value as what? 8. Okay. So now we have to extract the value from 0 to 5. So what will be the output? What do you think? 0 to 5, what will be the output? Any guess?
Hello, comma.
So first value will be what? Zeroth position, will it be taken? H will be taken or not? Tell me like that.
Yes.
Yes, this is inclusive.
Only.
What is the last value? 5.
Sorry.
What is the value at 5? Can you tell me? 5 value of this comma, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? 5 value is this comma? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Vikram, yeah.
Yeah. So will it be included or not included?
Not
Not
included.
included.
So till where it will go? It will go till O. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, Vic.
So the
Yes.
output will be HELLO. Yes or no?
Yes.
Step is
Yes.
1. Let us just try to see that. So now let us just open our Excel and try to understand these things in a better way. Slicing. Let me just open it. So guys, to make it very clear, I have opened an Excel sheet because it was every time I cannot write down like that. So let us just try to see from here. This is the value of H, and this is the value of E, and this is L, L, O, and this is comma, the space, W, O, R, L, D, and apostrophe. This is positive value going from 0 to 12. This is negative value coming from -1 to 13. So my question to you is, what will be the output of text -8, 8? So all of you will try this in your chat, in your chat. Can you just think, or you can just tell me here also what will be the value of what is the starting position, what is the ending position? Only tell me this much. Tell me. What is the starting and ending position? Tell me.
Starting is comma,
Hmm.
Ending is O.
Hmm.
ending W.
W, yeah.
-8 is what? What is you understand by -8? What is this? Is this starting position or ending position? What is this one?
The starting position.
Starting position. Okay. Start equals to what? -8. Yes or no, guys? So -8, will it be included or not? Tell me this much. Included?
Included.
Starting position is included or not, guys? Yes or no?
Included.
So now tell me, what will be -8? What is there? Is it comma? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So the inclusive, the starting position is comma. Do you guys agree with me? Now, what is the ending position? Can you tell me? What is the ending position, guys? 8. Now, what is this 8? Can you tell me what is here 8? Is it O? Yes or no, guys? So will this O will be included or excluded?
Excluded.
Excluded.
So what will be the previous word before this O? W.
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 So from where to where the words will be extracted? Tell me.
Comma
From
to W.
comma and the space and this W. Do you guys agree with me? Comma, space, and W. This will be the final output. So I've taken a tough example in the beginning only so that you get the clarity. Any doubt here? Tell me, guys, any doubt, anyone?
No, Vikram, no.
So if I print this one, text, -8, 8, what should be the output?
minus
out
8.
comma space and W. Do you guys agree with me? Any doubt in this example? If you understand this example, you can do any other example. Tell me this one. Any doubt? Shall I explain again?
Yeah, please explain again, Vikram.
Okay. So the traversing is happening from where? Left to right. Are you guys clear with this one? Yes. The positioning is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and similarly it is going like this till 12. The negative indexing is -1, -2, going till -3. Okay.
Okay.
Now I told you for indexing, there are 3 things. What are the things? Tell me. Start, stop, and step. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Start is inclusive, stop is exclusive.
Exclusive.
By default, step is 1. Do you guys agree
1.
with me? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So here the starting position is what? -8. What is that -8 position? Tell me. See here. What is the -8 position? Is it comma or not?
Comma. Yeah. Right.
So will it be inclusive or exclusive?
Inclusive.
So first thing will be coming as comma. Yes or no? Do you guys agree with me?
Yes. Yes, Vikram.
Now
Yeah.
the stop is 8. Stop means what? Here we will end.
Excluded.
So what is that position at 8? What is the letter at 8?
Oh,
Will it be included, not included?
excluded. Yeah. Not
Excluded.
included.
So what will be the previous letter before this?
W.
W. So from comma to W, we will extract those letters. So from comma to W, what are the letters? Can you tell me? First is what? Comma. Then is a space. This is space. This is space. And then what is the next letter? W. Do you guys agree with me? This will be the output. That is what I have,
Yeah.
So that is what I have printed. So what is the output?
Okay.
Comma. This is the
Comma,
space coming.
W. Okay.
Yes or no, guys? Are you getting the clarity, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Vikram.
Next. So many questions are asked based on, slicing. So you just, try to, put your effort and tell me the output of this one, everyone. This one, this output, let me just, minimize this one. It's going like this. Yeah. This one, all of you, focus this one. Let us just highlight this in yellow. Tell me what will be the starting. You have to tell me 3 things: starting, ending, and this step. Tell me. What is the starting position?
Starting text.
0.
Starting is not given, so it will be 0. Yes or no? What is the position at 0? Letter at 0?
H.
H. So we'll take it as H. What is the ending? This is ending.
There is
Is it
no
given?
ending.
There is no ending given, so it will go what? Till the last, I told you, and that will be included. In case we are not, specifying the last element, then it will be included. Yes or no, guys? So what is the last element we will go? What will be the last element? What is the last element at position? Let's suppose the end position is what? 12. This time it is included. Why it is included? Since we have not mentioned it. So what is the last thing letter there? It is exclamatory sign. Do you guys agree with me? This is your starting position. This is your ending position. But the step is what? Step is what, guys? 2. That means, can you tell me what will be the output? What do you think? How the output will go? First will be what? H. Then what will
H.
come? Then
L.
will this E come? No. Then it will be L. Will this L come? No.
No.
Then it will be what? O.
O.
Then what will happen? Will this comma come? No.
No.
It will be a space. And then what will happen? Since the space is taken, now what will come? Tell me.
0. Sorry.
Will this W come? No. The output will
No.
be what? O. Will this
O.
R come? No. It
No.
will be what? L. Now will this D come? No. It will be what? Exclamatory sign. Do you guys agree with me? This output. Shall we print it? Let us just print this output.
Okay. Okay.
Let us just print this output. Yes or no, guys? This is our output, and this is what we have written. Yes or no, guys? Do you guys agree with me? HLO, then this is a space, then O, then L, then exclamatory sign. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, Vikram.
So now tell me the output, of this one, -6 and this one. This one, who will give me the output? Let me just, tell me. Yeah. All of you try this one. Tell me what will be the output. Can you try it, and the chat, all of you? Can you give me the output based on, your understanding? Write down in the chat, this one. Print, print. I have already, written. I'm writing again. Text, try this one, all of you, at your own. Then you will, learn something in Python. So let me just, put this. Try to do at your own. Okay. No need to, consult anyone. Just try to, write wrong answers, no problem. Just try to do. Write in the chat. Everyone write the output. Okay. Think the starting position, think the ending position, think the step, and then give me the output. Try, everyone. Write down in the chat the output. All of you write down the output in this, chat box. Very good, very good. Prerna is written, Kalpana is written. Very good. What about, Sumati? What about Rupa? Are you guys trying, not trying? Try to see what is the starting, letter. What is the ending letter? If it is not specified, we'll go till the end. And then we will take the guys, step as 1. So the output will be what? Sumati, what will be the output? From W till this exclamatory sign. Do you guys agree with me? Starting -6, the position is W. And not specifying the ending position, it will go till the end. Step is 1, guys. So from W till this, exclamatory sign, this correct answers. Okay, guys, what will be the output of this one? What do you think? This is very, very important question. Can you tell me? Think on this one. What is this one? What is the starting position? What is the ending position? And what is the step? Can you tell me?
Starting is 2
Starting is
equal.
Starting is
0.
0. And ending is
Then
12.
till the last? Yes or no? 12? Yes.
Yes.
And the step is what?
2.
2.
2.
2. So what will be the first letter?
H,
H.
Then what is the next letter?
L,
L.
Will this E will be included?
no,
Will be L.
No.
What will be the next letter? Tell me, this L is will this L will be included? No.
no,
No.
So
O,
it will be O.
Oh,
Will this, comma will come? No. Then
no.
it will be a blank. Will this blank, will this W will be included?
No.
No.
This blank we have taken, W will not be included. Then what will come? O.
Oh,
Then
R
will this R is
R.
excluded, L, D is excluded, exclamatory sign. Do you guys
Exclamatory.
agree with me? So this H position is nothing but your, 0th position. Yes or no? This L is nothing but your 1. And this is what? Nothing but this O is nothing but what is the position of this O? It's 4, right? Yes or no, guys? This one we have taken.
Yes,
Then we have
yes.
taken this one, Then we have taken what? This one, 0, 0, and this is 2 actually. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that, guys. Yes or no? Do you guys agree with me?
Yeah. Yes.
4, 6,
Yes.
8, and 10 and 12. So are we taking the even number of positions? Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, Vikram.
So if a question interview is asked that can you print the even number of elements, let's suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, from there you will start only the even number positions you have to print. Can you print it? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So now my question is, all of you just write an interview question to print all the odd numbers. When the element present at the odd position, okay? Element present at the odd position. So write down a Python code.
Print 1.
Then just write down in the chat, okay? Don't tell.
Okay.
Try. This is even number, okay? Now I don't want the even number. I want the odd number. So that is what, is the question to you guys. Yeah, someone has written. Very good. So why are you writing 3 here, Kalpana? I'm not understanding. Why you're writing 3 here? We wanted odd position. So it will start from what? It will start from 1, guys. Then it will go to what? Tell me. It will start from 1. Okay. Then it will go till what? Till the last. Then what will write? Will not specify anything. And then we'll take this step as 2. Yes or no, guys? Will not specify anything means what? The last element and step is 2, guys. Yes or no? It will not be 3. Yes or no, Kalpana? It will not be 3. It will be what? 1. Then we will not
Yes.
specify the ending position and then the step will be 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let us just, print this. See, is it, giving the correct answer? So it will start from, guys,